Hello! For today's video, day 18 of our Active 365, no? Medyo sore pa ang ating katawan. So, gagalaw-galaw lang tayo. So, mobility exercises na kapagalawin lang natin ang ating upper at lower. So, ganito lang, side to side. So, push kamay, then rotate yung hips para talaga gumagalaw yung buong katawan, yung function natin. So we will do 15 counts, pairs. Ready, set, let's go. Ganyan. And others in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whew! So, maandaan na pagkaroon natin. So, for day 18, this is Coach H-Bomb. Out!